Hello children, welcome to your last session of chapter 4, more about numbers. Okay, so in this session we will be doing the topic rounding to tens. Okay, and few remaining questions of my observation also we will complete. Okay children, okay, so what is rounding off children? Rounding to tens. Rounding to tens means, see, if I have written that 37, yes, I tell you to round off this number to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means at this place 0 should be there. Okay? So, how you will round off this 37 to the nearest 10? What you have to do is, you have to see the digit at the ones place. You will see the digit at the ones place. Okay? In 37, we have 7 at the ones place. Yes? So, this 7 is greater than 5. Yes, आपको वंस डिजिट पे देखना है. अगर 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा है, yes, अगर 5 और 5 से ज़्यादा है, so what you will do? You will write here 0 and in the digit at the tens place you will increase by 1. That is 4. So 37 is rounded to 40. Okay? Why we have rounded? We have written 0 over here at the ones place and 1 we have added to 3. So it becomes 4. See this number line. Okay. 37 comes here. Yes. So to the nearest 10 we have to round it off. So 37 will be rounded off to 40. Now suppose children, if I say round 32 to the nearest 10, so what you will do? You will see the digit at the ones place. 2 is there. So this 2 is less than 5. This 2 is less than 5. Yes? So what you will do? You will make 0 over here and this 3 remains as same. This 3 remains as same. So 32 is here. So when we round it off to the nearest 10, we will round it off as 30. Okay? If the digit at the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, so we write the 0 over here and we add to the digit, add 1 to the digit at the tens place. And if the digit at the ones place is less than 5, so we write 0 at the ones place and the digit at the same tens place remains the same. Let us take few more examples. Suppose children, I say round off 79 to the nearest 10. Okay? So what you will do? You will first of all see the digit at the ones place. What is there at the digit at the ones place? 9. Yes? 9 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5. So what we will do? 9 की जगह पे we will write 0 and we will add 1 to the 7. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay? Now 45. Now how you will round it off to the nearest 10? You will see the digit at the ones place. 5 is there. So you will write 0 and you will add 1 to 4. So it becomes 5. Okay, अगर 5 होगा या 5 से ज़्यादा होगा तो टेंस वाली डिजिट पे आपको 1 ऐड करना है. But if it is 33, you have to round off 33 to the nearest 10. So 3 is here at the ones place. Now what you will do? You will write 0 here at the ones place and 3 का same 3 लिख देंगे हम. Okay? We will not add 1. So 33 is rounded to 30. Understood, children? Now we will be doing few questions in your My Observation book. Okay? We will be doing few questions of My Observation book. After this we will be doing practice zone 10. Okay, children? So children, in your Discovering Maths book, practice zone 10 is there. Yes? Practice zone 10, what you have to do? You have to round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. ठीक है? Now A, what is A? 37. 37 you have to round off to nearest 10. So what you will do, children? You will see the digit at the ones place. Ones place की digit पे क्या है 37 में? 7 is there. So you will make 7 as 0 and at the tens place 3 is there. So you will add 1 to 3. So it becomes 4. So 37 is rounded off to 40. Now B, 41. Okay, 41 we have 1 at the ones place. So we will write 0 at the ones place and at the tens place 4 as it is will comes because 1 is less than 5. अगर 5 होगा ones place पे या 5 से ज़्यादा होगा then we will add 1 to the digit at the tens place. नहीं तो वो सेम ही रहेगी जो tens place पे digit है. Okay? Now C, 68. 68 पे देखो बेटा वंस प्लेस पे क्या है 8 है ना एंड 8 इज मोर देन 5. यस 8 इज मोर देन 5 ग्रेटर देन 5. सो व्हाट वी विल डू 8 की जगह पे हम 0 लिख देंगे एंड वी विल ऐड 1 to 6. सो इट बिकम्स 7. तो 68 इज राउंडेड ऑफ टू 70. वन मोर वी विल डू D, 18. 18 again 8 at the ones place. It is more than 5. It is greater than 5. Yes. So 0 at the ones place and we will add 1 to 1. So it becomes 2. Okay, 18 is rounded off to 20. In this way you have to do practice zone 10 in your Discovering Maths book only. Okay, now come to your My Observation book, page number 51. Question number 10. Write true for the correct statements and false for the incorrect statements. Okay, read the first point. The cardinal number for 12 is 11. The cardinal number for 12 is 11. No, false. The cardinal number for 12 will be 1 to 12. Okay, so this statement is incorrect. Write down false. B, the ordinal number for 16 is 16. False. The ordinal number for 16 will be 16th. Yes. The ordinal number for 9 is 9th. True. The ordinal number 4th comes after 3rd. True. The cardinal number name for 8th is 8. 8th is an ordinal number and its cardinal number is 8. Yes, number name is 8. Cardinal number name for 8th is 8. Yes, it is true. Okay, now come to question number 11. Fill in the blanks with correct numbers. 367 rounded to the nearest tens is 367. See, I have written ones, tens, 100. So see the digit at the ones place. We have 7 at the ones place. Okay, we have 7 at the ones place. So it is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So we will write 0 at the ones place, and we will add 1 to the digit at the tens place. तो आप 6 में 1 प्लस कर दोगे, so it becomes 70. So 367 is rounded to 370. B point, 154 rounded to the nearest tens is. Now you have to round off 154. सबसे पहले राउंड ऑफ करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? You have to see the digit at the ones place. Now see, in 154 we have 4 at the ones place, है ना? 4 5 से छोटा है. So what we will do? We will not add 1 to the digit at the tens place. हम 5 में 1 ऐड नहीं करेंगे, बस 4 की जगह पे 0 लिख देंगे. Okay, at ones place. So 154 will become 150. Okay children, in this way you will be doing the rest 3 parts of this question. You will see the digit at the ones place. अगर वो 5 है या 5 से बड़ी है, so you will add 1 at the digit at the tens place, और ones place पे 0 कर दोगे. Yes, और अगर वो 5 से छोटी है तो आप सिर्फ ones place पे 0 करोगे. You will not add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Okay. Now come to next question. Question 12. It is very interesting. Look at the following building. Color the 4th floor yellow, 7th floor red, and 11th floor blue. You have to color the 4th floor. First, second, third, fourth. See, 4th floor I have colored yellow. Then 5th, 6th, 7th. 7th we have to color red. Then 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. 11th floor we have to color blue.